I am a student. I am a student. She is my friend. She is my friend. He likes to play. He likes to play. We go to school. We go to school. They eat apples. They eat apples. You can swim. You can swim. I have a dog. I have a dog. She has a cat. She has a cat. He runs fast. He runs fast. We love music. We love music. They watch TV. They watch TV. You read books. You read books. I drink water. I drink water. She sings well. She sings well. He dances nicely. He dances nicely. We ride bikes. We ride bikes. They play soccer. They play soccer. You cook dinner. You cook dinner. I see a bird. I see a bird. She hears music. She hears music. He smells flowers. He smells flowers. We touch the ball. We touch the ball. They taste cake. They taste cake. You speak English. You speak English. I write letters. I write letters. She brushes her hair. She brushes her hair. He combs his hair. He combs his hair. We take photos. We take photos. They climb trees. They climb trees. You jump high. You jump high. I walk slowly. I walk slowly. She talks a lot. She talks a lot. He listens carefully. He listens carefully. We laugh loudly. We laugh loudly. They cry sometimes. They cry sometimes. You smile nicely. You smile nicely. I work hard. I work hard. She plays piano. She plays piano. He draws pictures. He draws pictures. We cook together. We cook together. They clean the room. They clean the room. You wash dishes. You wash dishes. I open the door. I open the door. She closes the window. She closes the window. He turns on the light. He turns on the light. We turn off the TV. We turn off the TV. They go to bed. They go to bed. You wake up early. You wake up early. I get dressed. I get dressed. She takes a shower. She takes a shower. He brushes his teeth. He brushes his teeth. We comb our hair. We comb our hair. They wash their hands. They wash their hands. You tie your shoes. You tie your shoes. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. She drinks juice. She drinks juice. He makes coffee. He makes coffee. We have lunch. We have lunch. They cook dinner. They cook dinner. You like ice cream. You like ice cream. I want a sandwich. I want a sandwich. She needs a book. She needs a book. He has a pen. He has a pen. We buy gifts. We buy gifts. They visit friends. They visit friends. You watch movies. You watch movies. I play games. I play games. She listens to music. She listens to music. He reads a newspaper. He reads a newspaper. We study English. We study English. They work in an office. They work in an office. You go to the park. You go to the park. I visit my family. I visit my family. She loves her job. She loves her job. He hates traffic. He hates traffic. We like sunny days. We like sunny days. They enjoy vacations. They enjoy vacations. You play the guitar. You play the guitar. I watch the sunset. I watch the sunset. She dances at parties. She dances at parties. He sings in the shower. He sings in the shower. We swim in the pool. We swim in the pool. They hike in the mountains. They hike in the mountains. You ride a bike to school. You ride a bike to school. I cook dinner for my family. I cook dinner for my family. She takes photos of flowers. She takes photos of flowers. He helps his sister. He helps his sister. We clean the house on Sundays. We clean the house on Sundays. They play soccer on weekends. They play soccer on weekends. You read a book before bed. You read a book before bed. I write emails to my friends. I write emails to my friends. She listens to the radio in the car. She listens to the radio in the car. He watches football on TV. He watches football on TV. We study for exams together. We study for exams together. They work hard to earn money. They work hard to earn money. You travel during the holidays. You travel during the holidays. I go shopping on Saturdays. I go shopping on Saturdays. She exercises at the gym. She exercises at the gym. He practices English every day. He practices English every day. We watch the stars at night. We watch the stars at night.